Hi, I'm Adriana Gomes, training facilitator at PNA, and welcome to PNA Head Office. I started here in 2018 as the group training facilitator. What this role entails is the training of all our staff across the group of 123 stores, 2 of which are very proudly in Namibia. We train them on products, customer service, visual merchandising, as well as the PNA brand.
New Leaf Technologies are proud to work with the PNA Group. Since May 2021, we've helped them increase performance, added over 50 courses, increased their learner uptake, and enhanced their learning culture, resulting in a lasting impact on their growth.
Before New Leaf Technologies, what we used to do was physically go out into each of our stores and individually train our staff. What we found was that our users needed a little bit more simplicity, interactivity, and gamification. We also came to realize that we needed to update and better our ways of getting information to our staff to enrich them, which is what led us to naming our system the PNA Enrichment Academy. We had to search high and low for a new provider for our system. Eventually, I came across New Leaf Technologies. Once we sat down with them for their interview and they showed us their system, it was basically a no-brainer. Why we decided to go with New Leaf Technologies is that their system, aNewspring, was so genuinely user-friendly, and we were so excited by the look and feel of it that we just felt it was a perfect fit for PNA. New Leaf Technologies has also been unbelievable in helping me and being very patient with me in learning how to use the system, as well as other ventures outside of our online training system, such as videos to be developed for our staff, filming some supplier trainings that we've done, and even helping develop our new mascot.
We implemented the award-winning aNewspring learning experience platform and elevated PNA's training strategy to its full online potential, being recognized through a nomination for an International Learning Impact Award. If you're in retail and want to achieve similar results, contact New Leaf today and we'll be glad to help.
The staff absolutely love it because they feel seen, they feel heard, they feel recognized, and they feel part of our PNA family.